Ever notice how one decision, taking that job, trusting that friend, changes everything? 20% of your choices shape 80% of your fate. For Lira Voss, one choice, to keep the cube, has set her on a collision course with new Cascadia's shadows. Lira sprints through alleys. The hooded figures hiss. The grid knows you, burning in her implant. The cube's map points to the Ash District, a toxic slum where servers rot and scavengers die. She can't sell it, not until she knows its truth. Mara chased the grid's secrets and paid the price. Lira won't let her go again. The Ash District is a graveyard, crumbling factories, air thick with ash and ozone. Lyra's mask filters the poison, but her implant glitches, the cubes hum louder. Memories claw at her. Mara's grin in a hacker den. Her warning to avoid the grid. Her scream as a server overloaded. Lyra's fault. She didn't stop her. The cube feels like Mara's echo, guiding her. The map leads to a dead server, this hull etched with code like the cube's. A warning blinks. Access demands a price. The district feels alive. Drones circling closer. Lyra's heard of Veyra Kline, the hacker, rebel, ghost. Patrons in the bar called her the grid's prophet, dodging enforcers like Torin, who crush resistance for the city's Echelon lords. A sound. Lira turns. A woman steps from the shadows. Veyra Kline, scars on her face, eyes sharp as code. She's no ghost, but a rogue hacker, exiled from the grid's inner circle. The few who choose wisely hold the many's fate. The cube, she says, unlocks the grid's core, a truth about new Cascadia's Echelon. Her passion feels real, but her gaze hungers. Veyra demands the cube. Lira refuses. Veyra taps her implant and the grid hacks the server. A drone swarm emerges. Black, insect-like, eyes glowing with code. Lira runs, the cube's map her guide. The drones scream, their lasers scorching the ground. Mara's voice rises. Choose for truth, not fear. Lira reaches the server, sinking the cube. The code flares. A hatch opens, revealing a glowing terminal. The drones close in, lasers hot. Lira dives inside. The hatch ceiling. The drones slam against it, muffled. She's in a hidden node. The cube cold. Screens flicker, code breathing. A voice synthetic, layered, speaks through her implant. You've chosen scavenger, but the grid keeps its own. Lira steps forward. Screens coiling data like chains. A signal spikes. Not a drone, not Veyra, something else. The voice speaks again. What you seek is here. What you fear is already inside. What waits in the node? And what has the grid already claimed? To know what happens next, please do wait for the next episode and tune into it. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.